Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
1. Introduction. The connectivity rules are the major integral part of the SECUDM, and this geometric network rules are already available within the FDS_distribution dataset in the SEC schema. This document describes the details of geometric network and the purposes of the rules definitions. 2. What are connectivity rules? The electrical distribution network comprises of many electrical distribution equipment connected with the electrical network lines in both the construction method of overhead and underground. A specific technical rule of connectivity applied in the GIS system to prevent the wrong connections and to make sure the network flow is as per the reality. As per the electrical distribution, the equipment basically used to connect with respect to their operational voltage to avoid accidents and to make sure the stabilized electricity supply throughout the service areas. The same ESRI geodatabase has its own capability to create these connection prescriptions as connectivity rules within a geometrical utility network. Within a dataset, SECUDM contain the inbuilt geometrical utility network as FDS_distribution_net with defined rules. 3. SECUDM connectivity rules. SEC-provided SECUDM has many rules for each feature class according to their subtypes. 2 or more linear features are connected always by using a point feature class as connecting junction. By keeping this as the major concept, the points are having the concept of connectivity with minimum and maximum edges and minimum and maximum junctions on a linear feature. The linear feature is defined as simple edges or complex edges. When there is simple edge concept, the connectivity flow allowed through end-to-end connections only, but there is a complex edge linear feature, the connectivity for the other linear feature can be obtained from the edge snapping as well. 4. Connectivity Rules Appendix. Please refer to the Appendix 13 network_connectivity_rules.pdf for the detailed report on the connectivity rules built in the geometric network. In the appendixes, all blue-colored, fill color, features class with their green-colored subtype are connected, the below-listed yellow-colored feature classes only. That particular subtype cannot be connected with the other feature class not having any fill color, white background filled. As per the GIS project, there are many changes and updates required in the existing geometric rules, which needs to be fixed properly with the help of Secretary Technical Team who owns the responsibility for database schema. ARI will provide a list of changes in the connectivity rules for SEC review and expect to correct the same in the data model as well.